Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys where can you watch anime for free from your mobile device. So let's jump right into it. So for this we need to open your browser and let's first use this website, pluto.tv. So this is the first website for today. Just go to pluto.tv. It's gonna look like this. Now this website has movies and other stuff, but it also has anime. So you can search for the anime that you want to watch right here in the search bar at the top. Tap enter and you find the anime that you want to watch in the results right here. Now if this interface annoys you or something like that, you can tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner or top right, depends on the Chrome browser or the version, and then unselect or select desktop mode or desktop site if you want the mobile version, as you can see guys, but I prefer the other version, so I'm gonna tap right there again and then enable desktop mode, and it's gonna give me basically more results or in another layout like this one. And that's the first website. Now if you want to use the app, you can search on Google for Pluto TV and then you scroll down. That's the website. You find here the app, or you can go to your Play Store or App Store and have it, and you can watch on the app. Now that's the first website and app. Now for the second one is going to be tubetv.com. It's going to be written like tubetv and then .com after it. It's going to look like that. Now again, this one, I like the interface when it's on the mobile version, just like that. Again, this has also movies and other stuff, but if you're looking for anime, you can tap on the three lines in the top left corner and then scroll down, and under genres you can find anime. Go ahead and tap on it, and here we go. Wait for it to load up, and here you go guys, you can find your anime right here and you can watch it whenever you want. Now for the third option, excuse me, you can go to Muse Asia. You can Google it and go tap on the first result, or you can just go to your YouTube app and simply search for Muse Asia. Now this YouTube app gives you some anime right here. As you can see, they upload consistently and you can watch your animes right here. And yeah guys, as you can see, the options to watch anime for free are shrinking, but no matter what, do not get close to piracy websites. Do not get near them, because there you can watch anime 4K for free all the time. So be careful, do not do that. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.